Welcome to a presentation regarding 10 things every defendant should know when charged with a misdemeanor in Louisiana. In most misdemeanor cases, you have the right to be represented by an attorney. This means that if you can't afford an attorney, the court must appoint one to represent you. This is a very important right that you must take seriously because only an attorney will understand all the various defenses and possible sentencing factors that you must consider in your case. In Louisiana, you have a right to a judge trial for misdemeanor cases. Misdemeanors do not include a right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine the witnesses who testify against you. This means that anyone who takes the witness stand and testifies against you, you can have your attorney ask them questions. You have the right against self-incrimination. That means that the prosecutor cannot make you testify in your own case. And you have the right to testify, but you don't have to. And if you don't testify, the judge cannot hold that against you and use that as evidence of your guilt. You have the right to compulsory process. This means that you can have the court subpoena witnesses to testify in your own defense. There are some misdemeanors in Louisiana that are enhanceable. This means that if you are convicted of a misdemeanor today, then next time you get a similar one, that can either turn into a more serious misdemeanor or a felony. The general court process for misdemeanors in Louisiana begin with an arraignment date. At this date, you read the formal charges against you and you enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. You will then be assigned a trial date. There are various possible sentences for misdemeanors in Louisiana. For instance, some misdemeanors carry a sentencing range of 0 to 6 months in jail. Some carry a sentencing range of 0 to 90 days in jail. Some are less than that. Other possible sentences besides jail time include probation, performing community service, attending rehabilitative classes, performing a substance abuse evaluation, and following any recommendation from that evaluation. Fine and court costs may also be included. Another very important consideration in misdemeanor cases is your record. Now, depending on the specific facts and circumstances in your case, we may be able to keep your record clean. Now, the final thing you need to know if you have a misdemeanor charge in Louisiana is me. My name is Barkemeyer. My office is located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I defend all types of misdemeanor charges in Louisiana. So if you need my help, contact me.